vlog, part 2 of Disney camping. We're walking out to Blizzard Beach right now. Very fun and fresh. And we're gonna have a fun day. The guy that just did our tickets told us to have an ice-horrific day, and I think I will.
Yeah, have an ice-horrific day. That was so cute.
He said it like such an upbeat tone too. Well, I mean, it's Disney. They kind of have to.
An ice-horrific day.
Ice-horrific day.
We have switched to GoPro mode.
Oh my god.
Wow, what a mermaid goddess.
I really regret that.
We're in the wave pool. I'm wearing the same bathing suit that I wore during paddleboarding in the beach day, but we're gonna ignore that fact because
Watch them clock you in the comment section.
it's fine. It's fine. I literally said in that vlog I wanted to wear this to the water park, so we're just gonna go with it.
I want the one. Alright, let's get on. Setting up to my lucky number. He really will.
After I tell my dad, don't fall over,
I wasn't ready for that. And here we go. Oh, T, yeah, you probably should. Safety first. So there's Seven Plummet. We're not doing that. Crushing Gusher might do that. Ava really can't. Slushy Gush. Sorry, Slushy Gusher. And then I think the family ride's on this side. This is a family ride that goes here. Fun, fun, fun.
Fun times in Kamai.
Oh my God! Wow. Steamboat Springs. There's Seven Plummet, Slushy Gusher. There's Steamboat Springs. Oh my gosh! I don't even know. I don't even know where the lights are. I don't know, man. We're not doing very well today. I think that's Everest over there, Mount Everest or whatever. We're very mad at Lauren and Allie right now because we were walking back and just getting on Steamboat Springs and they literally just gotten on that lift again.
They better not.
Like if somebody
down, I'm gonna kill them.
So we need to get on now again and do Steamboat Springs again. I'm so mad. We were on like the lift coming up and we went single rider, so I was with other people. We were literally like, what, like a few feet off from being able to get off and it stopped. Someone at the bottom needed to get on with a wheelchair. We were stuck there for literally 5 minutes. Maybe I know! We're gonna take the lazy river to some other sides. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're all freezing. Outside of the water, it's so cold. We have to get the same shot again! So we're going on runoff rapids. We all look really cute right now.
Open fun.
Where I'm going on enclosed.
Open fun.
I'm painting that with so many stairs that we're getting our sand pail in. Alright, friends. Enclosed spot. Ow, my ankle. Try to push off. Ah! Why is it like Space Mountain? High key. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah! So we're doing runoff rapids again. This time I'm gonna go open. But we have to go up all these stairs yet, not just that. That looks really weak. Whole squad. Wait, it doesn't end! You know what? I'll just flip it in editing. Wait, what? Ah! Where were your bumps? Hi! Squad going down, not more! Ah! I don't like this! Fun.
Aren't they all the same enough?
No. Those are straining you.
Bottom of the slide.
You're trying to make my day bad?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't like you.
Why? Why am I not likable?
Pretty good.
Come to number 5.
Get it out! Get it out! Don't ruin my braids! Yo, big stupid! You ain't winning! No, Rachel! Ah! No, I can't lose! Good Lord! I don't know the name of this one either, but it's not like these. But it's curvy. So we're going in the wave pool again. Fun, fun, fun. Have anything to say?
Listen, like,
It's attached to me. Go ahead.
okay, well, basically, this is like It's okay. I'm not going to Summit Plummet because it's like really scary. But not, but okay. Yeah, because it's like I'm just not going on it because strapless. Seriously, she's not going on it because of that. So yeah. Oh my God, what? No, you're not.
So we just got lunch. We're waiting for everyone else to come over. I got a veggie burger and fries.
Hi everybody, Abby's coming. Abby's coming, we have to make this fast. I'll take over with Ava. We're at lunch and I love you very much, Abby.
So I just wanted to clarify, you can't like exactly, I'm sorry, I'm like covering this, gross, well, whatever. You can't exactly see it in this clip, but like at the end of that clip, I looked really mad just because I didn't know where my phone was and like my tray of like food got moved because I went up to get a cup of water and I left my phone on my tray and I thought my tray had got thrown out and with my phone on it, so I was a little freaked out. I'm also, while I'm doing this, gonna clarify the next clip. So it looks really mean if you don't know the backstory. All of lunch, me and Allie were like spitting ice at each other, like throwing ice just because we're stupid and being funny. There was one point where she just took it too far and she poured water down my back and put ice in my bathing suit. I was like, this is enough. So I basically used the rest of my cup of water and this is what happens next. But it's all good because she came for me afterwards and like you can see her trying to attack me.
Karma! Karma! Then Abby's gonna turn around straight. Yeah! Try me! Try me! Try me! Stay away from me. Oh yeah? Who's in charge now? Who's in charge now?
Okay, well, on Monday. You have to wait until Monday to wash it.
You see, that's the thing though, Allie. I have aim. You don't. You miss first 3 times.
Okay.
So I just did slush gusher by myself. Oh, now we're going to do a girls' family wrap time. Well, I just did Sophomore Plummet. Yeah, for real. We haven't done it with like all 6 of us. So. I'm so good. Abby, don't do that no more. There's a worker named Allie, and she didn't have fun. Allie said, yeah.
That's like when a waiter gives you your food and you're like...
Alright, we got all 6 of us on here now. We're going to need a stand pail now, which is like this huge thing of chocolate vanilla ice cream, like caramel, waffle pieces, Oreos, chocolate syrup.
Ew, oh, I
Just got our stand pail. We got whipped cream on the side because we're there.
Can I eat it now? What's in this?
Ice cream, waffle cone. Chocolate, vanilla, waffle cone, Oreo pieces, caramel, chocolate syrup.
I don't like caramel.
We literally he was like, just demolished. What? We have to find an entrance to the lazy river because we're gonna go around for a bit.
My feet are actually cooking.
So
like seriously,
ready? Look at this, look at this, look at this.
my feet are like, they're all red. Like literally, it's so bad. It's so bad. My feet are like burning. Oh. I seriously, I can't walk. Cause like even when I started walking, my feet were hurting. Hey vlog, I'm sorry. I'll talk about something more like fun. Okay, well we're going up the lazy river, and that's not all. And we're what are we doing? I don't know. Well, this has been a fun time. So yeah. Hello. The pool water. Is that this time? Is it on?
47, 48, 49.
Hi cuties, so vlog takeover time. I'm the only one who apparently knows how to use a GoPro. Other than Abby. There's the lazy river. That's where we're trying to go, except we can't figure out how to get there. I have no clue if you can see me though. I have no clue where the camera is. There's Rachel. Hi Mom. Bye Rachel. And I think that's all that's happening. Here's Jordana. Hi. Jordana doesn't seem very excited right now. I don't know why. Hi. That's true, you are. Oh my god, ow. I'm tanning a lot, which is good.
And I'm wearing a suit shirt.
Yeah, because Jordana doesn't tan. And yeah, that's it. Here's Abby.
We made a lazy river cluster.
I'm living in Georgetown for 2 weeks this summer.
Wait, when? Oh, this is the fall. What am I
Scared. I'll choose water.
there? Now go! I don't want to get a shoot on. Allie, do your yoga again?
I gotta make sure Abby can't.
Oh, that's enough of that. That's some Little Mermaid stuff. Just a cute guy. We're trying to take a video.
Wait, what's happening in the vlog, obviously.
The lifeguard threw it in. The lifeguard was the one who threw it in.
throwing them in.
Rubber duckies! Oh my god, I want one!
Woo! Can you pass one?
Yeah! I want a rubber ducky! Ducks are my spirit animals! That was mine! Dip! Can I have one, please? 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 No! It's mine again! Wait, I got two of the same one. Do you want to trade? No! Yeah, I got two of the same. Let me see it. I got Nemo! Yes! Yes!
She got a concussion.
Going the way cool. One final time before we leave. Is everybody stupid now? Yeah, big stupid. Ava, that's really cute. Ava, that's really cute. You're gonna steal my children. Are they in your back? You doing good there, Ava?
Huh?
You doing good there?
In between both floats.
I didn't realize how much like my French braids felt, but
Yeah, they did a lot.
we're going back to the campsite, gonna get changed, and then I want to go get coffee because I'm so tired. I don't want to miss our midnight buffet, even though it's at like, what, 11, 10:30.
Yeah, this is kind of our rip-off midnight buffet, but that's okay.
They told me my hair looks cute. I haven't seen it yet. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, wait. Tea? Tea. We're about to drive to the campsite and get some food, and I'm gonna go get coffee. So now we're at the Meadow Trading Post, or whatever it's called, and I'm gonna get a coffee. Finally, I've been complaining all afternoon for one. Okay, so I'm a little, what's the word? Upset. Triggered. They didn't have any bottled coffee. It was only like hot make yourself coffee, and I don't really like hot coffee. So I got a tea and a Twix. Got dinner. I finally have a source of caffeine. Much needed. I'm gonna go slow. Isn't there? There's two. Oh my god, it's a fawn. It's a baby.
So that's the mom.
Hi. I'm a driver, guys. Oh, she's standing her ground. She angry. Hi, cuties. Vlogging and running, can't even see me, but I need to grab my glasses and my tea because I'm driving to the marina to watch the fireworks. We're at the marina. Pretty sure we're gonna watch the fireworks here. Might take a boat, might not. We're a little indecisive. We're about to take a bus out of the Kingdom area.
Like 15 minutes.
So many bugs. Take over. We're
On a boat to watch a late show.
Yeah, we're watching fireworks, and Abby's like right there. Say hi to our vlog. Hi. Hello, vlog. Is this for the vlog? Yeah.
Hi vlog. We're on the boat right now, and oh, that's very close up. We're by the Contemporary. I think that's the Contemporary, and we're going to watch fireworks.
Everything. Remember that you asked for it.
And making
so bright.